is attorney Sarah Holmes of Holmes Business Law PC. We are a business and trademark law firm located in Philadelphia and the suburbs. We are doing some contracts videos today because 90% of the work we do in our office has to deal usually with some type of contract with a business owner. And one that we want to talk about today is how do you negotiate a contract? Often business owners come to us and they say, I'm new in business, I just started my company, I'm about to get a big contract with a new client. What do I do? How do I negotiate that? And the answer to that is there's a lot of different ways to negotiate a contract. One way would certainly be to start having verbal discussions with the other side about what type of terms you want in the contract. For example, what are the scope of services you're going to provide? How much do you anticipate being paid for the services? For what length of time do you want the contract to run? Those are all things that people tend to discuss first before actually putting things on paper. The second way you can negotiate a contract is to come up with a term sheet, a non-binding term sheet. That's typically like a 1 or 2 page, really brief list of things, like I just mentioned, that would eventually make their way into a contract. So it's something like the scope of services, the price that the other side's going to pay, how long the contract's going to last. These might be preliminary details that the parties can work out and inexpensively decide whether or not this relationship's going to work before they commit to putting things in a full contract. So you could do that as well. The last way, and really the most common way that people end up negotiating a contract, is one side gives their form contract to the other. Now, if you are a business that is going to be having a relationship with a large institution on the other side, such as a large corporation, definitely publicly traded corporation, something like a hospital, maybe a university or educational venue, often that party will have their own standard contract templates that they want you to sign. That's often because those types of places have huge legal teams. It's often because they've already developed a template that they're comfortable with. They usually have some very specific insurance requirements that they want people to agree to. So 9 times out of 10, those types of people will ask you to sign their contract. Now, if you own a business, it would behoove you to have your own custom contract template for your business. We find in our experience that the person giving their contract to the other side often has an advantage in these matters because they have their own template made up already. They have the terms they want to have, and you're giving it to the other side to really negotiate back from there. So if you're the one with the contract, sometimes you may have the upper hand in the negotiation. So of course, if you don't have your own template contract ready for your business, feel free to reach out to our office. It's certainly something we can help you with. We do quite a few contract templates for clients. Our attorneys are licensed in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York. So if you need help, our office number is 215-482-0285, or feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out the other free resources that we offer for business owners. All right, thanks.